So this is the dress that I'm gonna be wearing outside. Di naman siya super long, but we're gonna go outside to eat para sa work na sister ko. So this is the dress. I'm so excited. Sa Cavite siya, so as look at that detailed. I love it. So I changed into a pants. And kakain mo naman. So eto na yung sinag ko. But then kinip ko pa rin tong parang cover siya. Sorry, magulo dyan. It's a pants. Gulo talaga.
Hindi ako pamilyar eh.
Isa kan si Peter Pan. So, the rest, manalo pa rin kayo.
Pretty it is. I'm currently cleaning right now, and it's been a few days since I vlogged, so kind of tiring, and I have a headache right now. I don't feel well, so I'm trying to clean as much as I can so that when my mom gets home, she will not say anything. So yeah. Actually, I don't really have a plan today, so I'm just gonna chill and that's it. And then maybe I'll film on December 25. So yeah.
Ano pag nakasong?
I'm having some pancake right now.
Asa na si Isoy? iPhone 17 Pro.
Wow! Wow!
Thank you very much.
Let's open our gifts. This is from Tita. Sorry. From Binal family.
Ate na si Kuya JP? Oh.
Sorry for the background noise. They're kind of noisy.
Ginaagad. Oh, pero di man na grabing pila basta pauli. Hala yung cellphone ko. Uy. Upil sa na GP na basta kay malakpan ko na buhian ko malakpan. iPhone. Ang cellphone. Okay.
Ang cute.
Mari?
May charger to.
Ay na. Wow, it's color purple.
That. Next gift. This one I got.
Hindi na. Ay, laki.
Dress. I mean,
Ginaduyan-duyanan na lang laki kami.
spray. Next.
Vlog. Okay, next week.
Meron ako.
What 80%?
Wala na ako na naman kape. Tani.
I have a school bag now that I could use. And it has a lot of compartments on it.
Hi, Kuya JP.
Then
Ayun.
there's a zipper here. And then here, there's also a zipper. There's also a zipper here.
Ako nga pala yung nag-alaga kay Quince.
Ako
Then,
malapit
another
katabi ni Prince pag umiiyak.
here. Then this one.
Nanong bata si Prince, siya daw ang tagabantay kay Prince.
Yay!
Hello ka mo makade. Eh, sorry ma. New Year! Sa bagay. Naman kay...
Wala, nasira yung lalagyan.
La 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 la. How?
Lucky
So
daw.
pretty.
Okay na ba?
Di po tayo kayo maglakad.
Mawaraan na lang kami si Bibi Lili.
Face paint.
Wala. Ay, din sa niya dara. Ito ang mga
Next
ganun.
one.
Ay, gandahin na.
Can
Ang importante, magkalita yun. May importante yun. May pa.
Tingnan kayo maglakad. Kuya mo, tingnan kaya ako maglakad habang nagulang.
Tingnan mo yung ano, Tisay. Yung powder.
Ang cute!
Kaya okay. Ano nang gani? Paano, Jeff? Ano man ako nag-aranuhan na lang pag
Show this one.
ano, may kwarta gani, di man nag-kirita. Kaya wala ang kirita na.
Nyam nyam.
Kaya ano,
Ayun,
Messy it is. Super messy.
oo mga